Welcome back to the video, to the channel, to the vlog. Today's video is going to be totally out of sync. This video is going to be me cleaning and putting something on this right here. I'm going to show you, and then we're going to get to installing and putting this on. Unfortunately, I did find one, so I'm going to go ahead and get it installed. I will show you a picture of it right now. This is the picture. Now use your imagination and see what it is. But at the same time, you can see here, you can see here. So all I'm going to give you, then I'm going to go ahead and do this video and put this, install this onto the car, and then we'll go from there. finished. We got it done. Take a look. Hopefully you can see it. I had to go and use the razor blade to get all that off. The squeegee didn't work properly, so I had to use the razor blade to get all the air bubbles out because I had a lot of air bubbles in there. But I will probably and will have to be soon changing or replacing it because since I think it's gonna come off. But like something like this, what I had to do was I used the torch to try to heat it up to get it to where it would stick. So what I used is my rear defrost to get it hot, but it's not hot enough to make it where it sticks. So what it is, my car is running to get it to stay, warm, and the defrost is on. So hopefully it stays and it sticks. But tell me down in the comments what you think about it, and then we'll go from there. I will be putting clips of it on my Instagram, but just not yet. Got to get some things taken care of. I'm still having issues with with internet, and I'm trying to get all my videos out, but at the same time I'm limited to what I can do and things like that. So if you like it, put a comment down below. Follow me on those. It's just my Instagram and my YouTube channel. So we'll see you guys totally on the next one, and